Good morning, 8th graders. This is Wednesday. It is September 15th. Just want to kind of go through the slides for today and let you know what you'll be missing if you're going to be out. So we are going to start our Science Giants research, kind of day number 1. You're going to pick your Science Giant as well as start kind of the research process. Really, by the time we do all the picking, it's only going to be a short amount of research, so at least you can kind of get started. I will do lucky buckets. I can name a scientist who's made an impact in earth science. And we have a do now question. I'm not going to wait long for the do now, so do make sure that you're pausing the video and filling this out or waiting at least until you get back. Which science giant would you like to do your project on? So yesterday we went through the slideshow and you kind of wrote down some names. What would be kind of like your top one that you'd like to do some research on? So we'll answer that on our Do Now green worksheet. Then we'll open up our composition notebook. We're looking at our list for your top science giants that you picked. And then we're going to go do the draft. I won't subject you to the puppy draft, but just again, we'll do a draft. We'll go through the class. Pick, I'll draw popsicle sticks, and you can pick who you'd want to sign up for. You're welcome to email me your choice. Otherwise, wait until you get back to class and you can just tell me who you'd like to do. We are looking for one person per class. So, for example, only one person can do Sir Isaac Newton per second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth, seventh. Only one person can do Arthur Holmes. Only one person can do Sylvia Earle. So kind of like to keep it to that. So you can either email me the person you'd like to do or wait until you come back and we can look to see who's left on the list. This you're going to have to copy down. So you'll want to pause the video, copy this down onto a sheet of paper or, ideally in your composition notebook. But if you do not have your composition notebook, you can just copy this down on a sheet of paper or, copy down a sheet of paper and then you can just staple it into your composition notebook. So somehow make this chart. This is the information that we're looking for today. Then we'll get some research time. I don't exactly know, maybe 10, 15 minutes worth, 10 probably minutes worth of research. So pick your science giant, start looking at some research. You do not need to finish this whole thing. We will have time tomorrow to continue research and building our slide. So I think that's pretty much about it. So maybe two of the 4 categories would maybe be a good start. 2 of those squares, or maybe like 1 of those squares. It'll be kind of, we'll see how far we get once we get the draft done. So probably looking at about 10 minutes worth of research. Other than that, make sure to reach out if you have questions. Have a great day.